Alrighty guys, welcome back to another Pinellas County truck adventure. Got me, baby Amelia, and my girlfriend, although she's probably shy and won't say nothing. Hi babe.
Hi babe.
Alright, that's the most we'll get out of her. And welcome to Midtown St. Pete, or St. Petersburg, Florida, however you want to put it. We can also show off the dome, Tropicana Field. Yeah, I like Midtown. Got a lot of memories with it. Coming down here for work and such. Is that so, girlies? This is technically the outskirts of downtown St. Pete. And this is the Pinellas Trail. You see these bikers? They're on the Pinellas Trail. Yeah, Midtown's the hood down here. Oh no, we're not on the same street as the... We're not going to be able to show them the dome. Took the wrong street. Jesus, girlies. So it's hot, let me see. Wasn't even cranked up that much. Black Crow Coffee. Anybody into coffee? Try that coffee spot right here on First Ave South. Oh, of course, she spots out the little doggo. Oh my God, little doggo. The pug is like her favorite dog ever. No? What's your favorite dog ever? Pitbull. Oh, pity. Pitbull. Okay, we're gonna take the famous Central Avenue down here in St. Pete. Now, if we would have turned right, it would have taken us straight downtown St. Pete. But we gotta go this way. There's a School of Rock right there too. I'm gonna go there. So tired. Oh, the sun. Put that back up. There you go. Yo, you could rent that thing. Babe, I'm gonna rent that. Pull up to work. You're like, what happened to the truck? It's alright, we'll see it tomorrow. It's just a rent. Go. Of course, now the light goes green. And see, when you hit a red light, you go like. And just like that, we time warped from St. Pete back to Pinellas Park. Yeah, that last video we were in, oh man, it's been a day now. Midtown St. Pete. Yeah, that's the hood down there. I love it. I used to work down there too. It's the south side. St. Pete is kind of like St. Pete, Pinellas Park. It's kind of divided. You got the north side and then you got the south side. What's this road? Let's go down this one. Just on my way back from dropping my girlfriend off at work, I just want to take a different road. Explore a little bit. It's also fitting to storm. Oh my god, it's a big old dip. Yep. Now I just wanted to explore a little bit on the way home instead of taking the same old thing. As you can see, it's about to storm. It's been looking like this all day though. Neighborhood. Oh, there's some right there. Frankenstein hanging up on a tree. It's about, let's see, today's the 28th, so it's 3 more days till Halloween, yo. Favorite holiday. It's a peaceful neighborhood down here in the cut. Oh, the ducky in the road. Ducky in the road. Come on, little guy. You can do it. Come on, man. Affleck. Hey, he did it. Let's go. Oh, nice trucks over there. All lowriders. Man, this neighborhood, like, in the cut. You gotta take some back streets to get into here. Which way do I go? Park Lake Drive, 52nd Way. Can I go left? I don't know. I'm gonna go this way. There's more duckies over there. Hey, a bunch of duckies over there. Low-key, I ended up exactly where I wanted to. Ooh, that tree. Holy crap. That thing leaning. My aunt had 2 of those trees in her front yard. They were as tall, if not taller. And man, unfortunately, she had to cut them down. Those things were so iconic, though. And then she also had a peacock, a neighborhood peacock. His name was Bob. Aunt Sam named it. Ooh man, it's getting a little dark up there. Oh, here comes the rain, yup. And then on the left side is England Brothers Park, which is the band show. They're going to be having a bunch of stuff going on Halloween, too. To the right, across the street there, is the library, Pinellas Park Public Library. Now I believe it's called like Barbara S. something Public Library. But now it's time to hit pause. Pause and unpause. So let's get a little debate going. What kind of person are you driving? When you stop at a red light, right? Do you, and it's raining, do you turn your windshield wipers off? Or do you just keep letting them go? Because I ain't gonna lie, I turn them off. I turn them off, and then when the light goes green, I'll real quick. I hate to listen to this. Yeah, there it is. I can't do it. Yeah, no. Turn it off. Oh, will it focus? Hello, hold on. What if I hit it with the? Yeah, there we go. Alright, you see that crossing guard right there? Shout out to all the crossing guards. Alright, not even just in Pinellas County. Like, if you're a crossing guard, shout out to you. They gotta be out here, rain or shine, doing their thing. Make sure these kids get across the street safe. My mom used to be a crossing guard. And man, it's dangerous. She told me some stories, yo. People driving just don't care. They just don't pay attention. Hi, he waved. He's the OG. He waved. I always wave at him. I don't know why. Nice guy. Well, alrighty. There's a little display of Midtown St. Pete. This is a dead end, so we're gonna go left. Okay. I didn't even know this road existed. The little cut. But yeah, put on a little display of Midtown St. Petersburg, Florida. And then, of course, you know, always end up back in Pinellas Park. Good old Pinellas Park. And it's raining. My favorite kind of weather, though. I ain't even gonna lie. But alrighty, guys, I'm gonna end it here. Like and subscribe for more. Hope y'all enjoyed the little episode. Stay tuned for more. and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.